This is how to change your Gmail address. So Google finally allows you to change your Gmail address without creating a new account. And here's how to do it. One thing to note that this feature is currently rolling out, so there is a chance you may not have it yet. But if you want to check it out, then first open your browser and search for myaccount.google.com. Then here, ensure you've signed in with the account whose ID you'd want to change, and you can change the account from the top right. After that, click on Personal Info, that's here. Then select Email, and then the first option is your current email ID. And if you have an option to click on it, or if you see this arrow over here, this means that you have the option to change your email ID. So now I'll click on it. I'll just have to put my password. And as you can see, this option has come to change your Google account email. So now if I click on this, over here, we can enter a new username, but it has to be unique. So let's try it out. So like this, you can keep trying out different usernames and seeing whichever ones you like, which are available, and then click on Change Email to confirm it. But before you do that, there are a few things that you should know. So if you scroll up, then these points are really important. I'll quickly go through them. So they've said that changing your email won't affect any of your data which has been saved. After that, you'll still receive emails sent to your previous ID and your current one. Then, regarding third-party services, some may use your old one and some may use the new one. And after that, you have up to 12 months to get back your old ID. But after that, your old email ID will be given away. So this is everything you should know. And then if you're fine changing the email ID, you can just enter it over here and click on Change Email. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some privacy and security settings, check out this video. Goodbye.